Congratulations on being accepted to law school. Now, you may be wondering, how are you going to afford it? Well, no fear. Tia Smith is here. Today, we are going to discuss 3 topics: the cost of attendance, funding, and appealing. First, the cost of attendance, which is the estimated expenses for a semester or academic year. The cost of attendance is based on residency and includes educational expenses like tuition, mandatory fees, room and board, and travel. When budgeting for each year of law school, you should use your cost of attendance to ensure your expenses are covered. Now, let's talk about funding, which can be broken down into 3 components: scholarships, loans, and third-party payments. Scholarships are a form of financial aid awarded to a student that does not have to be paid back. Merit-based scholarships are awarded during the admissions process and require no additional application and can be renewed for up to 6 semesters for traditional JD students and 4 semesters for JD for non-US lawyer students. Performance scholarships are sometimes offered and are based on a student's academic performance and class ranking after your first year of study. These awards can equal up to $10,000 and can be awarded for both the second and third years. Additional scholarships can be found by searching online. Some schools have their own endowed scholarships, which they outline on their financial aid pages. Here at Arizona Law, we also have our own scholarship portal called Scholarship Universe, in which law students can apply for scholarships provided by alumni, law firms, legal organizations, and other establishments to cover the cost of attendance. Scholarship Universe is also used by many other schools around the country. Each year, roughly 2/3 of JD students at Arizona Law receive a scholarship. Information about any scholarships you've been awarded will be sent via email, as well as posted in the Admit portal for entering students. Student loans are another option to finance your legal education. Loans must be paid back and can be combined with other types of aid. There are 2 types of federal loans: the direct unsubsidized loan and the Graduate Plus loan, which requires you to have a current free application for federal student aid, also known as FAFSA, on file. Professional students can be offered a direct unsubsidized loan for up to $20,500 per award year, and the Plus loan can be offered up to your remaining cost of attendance. You can accept the full amount or a portion of the loan. However, any accepted amount will automatically be split between the fall and spring semesters. The Direct Graduate Plus loan works similar to the direct unsubsidized loan, but requires a credit check and has higher fees. Private loans are an additional resource for students in which the terms and conditions of the loan vary by the lender, so it is important to research them thoroughly before applying. Finally, third-party payments, which can be any form of payment received from a third-party source. These payments can include tribal aid, which requires the completion of a financial need analysis, veterans benefits, which must be coordinated with the Veterans Education and Transition Services and may allow veterans to use aids such as the GI Bill, and qualified tuition reduction, which is processed by employers and the Bursar's office. In some cases, the aid offered does not accurately reflect the need of the student. In these cases, you can submit an appeal. One is a cost of attendance appeal. Based on documented educational expenses, your cost of attendance can be increased, allowing more room for more funding. Another type of appeal is the expected family contribution appeal, which could be submitted based on changes in the household or tax information as reported on the FAFSA form. An appeal, also referred to as a professional judgment, is not a simple procedure, and students should be sure they have a justified reason for asking for more aid. As you can see, there is not a one-size-fits-all answer to paying for law school. There are many different paths you can take, each with their own requirements and timelines. No matter which path you choose, it's important to give yourself enough time to navigate the process and work through any surprises that may come along. We know that financial aid can be an intimidating and confusing topic, which is why we're here to help. I will assist you with your questions and concerns until you've successfully graduated. You can always reach out to me directly for more information on anything discussed in this video at law-finaid@list.arizona.edu. Thank you.